Local governments are facing severe financial strain, pressured to maintain services while closing massive budget deficits. But for a typical unitary authority, implementing artificial intelligence offers a verified financial lifeline of £8 to £19 million per year in combined income and efficiency savings. 95% of councils are now exploring or using AI, yet only 22% report any realized cost savings. Adoption is widespread, but material value remains elusive for the vast majority of the sector. Most organizations are trapped in pilot theater, with separate departments having fragmented, isolated AI tools. This duplicates costs across the council, creates severe governance blind spots, and restricts the technology to small local use cases rather than enterprise-wide value. Access to the software is no longer the challenge. Budget relief is stalled by operating model failure. Introducing new tools without redesigning service delivery, workforce practices, and governance for an AI-enabled environment. Capturing multi-million-pound savings requires a mandated shift to an AI-native organization. This is powered by an enterprise-wide AI Target Operating Model, or AI TOM, a strategic framework that defines how the council operates with AI as a foundational capability across 3 distinct domains. The first domain is the front door. This replaces fragmented digital platforms with conversational AI that handles citizen inquiries across all digital and voice channels. By resolving routine questions automatically, it reduces avoidable demand and shifts human capacity to complex cases. The second domain is workforce AI. This embeds AI assistants directly into everyday staff workflows for drafting, policy guidance, and case summarization. Universal access to these tools cuts administrative time by an average of 2 to 4 hours per week, per person. The third domain is the Agentic back office. Here, coordinated teams of specialized AI agents execute multi-step workflows across existing systems, handling heavy processing tasks like debt recovery and application triage at high speed. Unifying these 3 domains under a single governed platform establishes AI as a core organization-wide infrastructure, replacing scattered departmental experiments with a single logic chain for value. In regulated public sectors, scaling these tools requires strict safety measures. The foundational governance rule is simple: no autonomy without control. Platform controls, audit logs, and policy constraints must be embedded directly into the digital infrastructure itself. Derby City Council provides proof of this governed portfolio approach working at scale. They deployed AI across multiple services, handling over 1.4 million citizen inquiries around the clock. This data tracks their verified outcomes. By scaling AI properly, Derby achieved a 56% demand deflection rate and identified £12 million in verified savings. Across the sector, these financial projections are being validated. District councils can target £1.5 to £2.8 million. Unitary councils look at 7.9 to 18.9 million. County authorities can project £15.8 to £39.4 million in combined annual benefits. Enterprise-scale AI is a currently executable strategy. Peer councils are already generating combined income and efficiency savings using this governed portfolio approach. A growing minority of staff are already using public or unsanctioned AI tools to improve productivity. Without a sanctioned enterprise alternative, councils face the unmanaged risk of shadow IT and inconsistent outcomes. The immediate next step is a senior leadership mandate to officially define and deploy an AI target operating model. This clarifies who decides what AI does, how risk is controlled, and how work is delivered. To guarantee results, councils must implement an AI value ledger. This transparent tracking mechanism ties every AI initiative directly to baseline metrics and cashable outcomes, removing uncertainty about financial performance. Multi-million-pound savings are dependent on decisive leadership. By moving away from isolated software tools and toward governed, measurable value, councils can secure their financial sustainability.